Hello, I'm Dr. Hassaan and I'm here once again with another topic, how to write an opinion article. Welcome back. How to write an opinion article. Yes, opinion article in a scientific way. We're talking about opinion article for scientists, for researchers, because there are opinion articles that are written in newspapers as well, in magazines as well. But here we are focusing more on scientific journal. Although this information can be useful for anyone who is writing an opinion article for newspaper or magazine as well. So let's begin. So what is an opinion article? As the name suggests, opinion article is an article in which you, the writer, gives an opinion about a subject, about a topic. Your opinion, and your opinion matters. So yes, you can give an opinion. And don't be scared of giving an opinion because it's an opinion. It could be wrong. So don't feel disrespected. Don't feel insulted if somebody ever tells you that your opinion is wrong. It's okay. We are human beings and we can be wrong. So this is opinion article. Now, when do you write it? It should be written anytime, but choose a timely topic. For example, something big has happened. For example, when we saw COVID-19 for the first time, so many people wrote opinion articles. So opinion article is highly related with time. Vaccine came, more opinion articles came related to vaccine. So a big news, a big thing has happened, and that's in the news. So that is the best time to write an opinion article. Who will write an opinion article? An expert will write an opinion article. We saw people writing opinion articles on COVID-19 who had no background in medicine. We saw people writing opinion articles or making videos on opinion, giving opinions on vaccine and other things without having actual medical background. So that opinion article does not mean anything. Nobody will care about your opinion article if you are not an authority in your subject. So choose an opinion article on a topic that is timely, but you should be an authority in that field as well. Now, once that is done, where do you write it? You can write it anywhere. You can write it on your cell phone. You can write it in your room, in your bedroom, in your living room, in your office, anywhere. You can write opinion article anywhere. That's the beauty of opinion article. You don't have to go anywhere to write opinion article. So yes, you can write it, and you can begin right now. You can start writing an opinion article. Any of the topics that is right now important, you can write opinion article. And even if you're writing for a magazine or for a journal or for a newspaper, it's okay. Just start writing it. Now, this is opinion article. Now we know. Now, the next thing about opinion article that we need to know is how to write it. Yes, how do we write it? That's the biggest challenge, right? Remember, opinion article, first divide your opinion article into structure. Your structure should be loss of electricity, or if it's health related, efficacy of vaccine. Let's say this is in the news, and now you are an expert in vaccination. You are an expert in vaccine immunology. So you want to write an opinion article. So how do you do that? You will mention that this is the problem. This is the news that is circulating, that COVID vaccine is dangerous and XYZ, or has these kind of side effects. Now this is a problem. Now you give a solution. You mention that no, because of my experience, I feel this, I feel this. Yes, you give your experience, you give your suggestions, your ideas, your opinion. You give your opinion. Now, remember, it could be wrong, but now this is very important. To make your opinion strong, back it with evidence. Yes, add more references that I'm saying this because of this experience and knowledge, but other research evidence has also proven this point. This evidence has also proven my point. This evidence has also proven my point. This evidence has also proven my point. How many research evidence pieces you can add in that paragraph? You can add 3, I would say 3, maybe 5. The more, of course, the better, but you have a limit of words. So remember, 3, I would say stick with 3. You give 3 references. So you give your point, the solution, and you give 3 references. Then you give a concluding remarks with a call to action. That's it. And you can divide into 3 paragraphs. First one will be the problem. Second is the main paragraph where you give the solution and you give the references. And then you give last paragraph, you could give call to action. Now remember, before calling to action, you can also give some benefits, some advantages of your solution. If you want to make your opinion article really interesting, you can do that. Because here in scientific journal, you are actually also persuading. So it's okay to persuade. I know many people will say in opinion article you don't persuade, but it's okay. You can persuade, because be ready, somebody else will write and persuade to his point and will disagree with you. So it's okay. So your task is, if you are firmly confident about your topic, about this matter, write down your opinion article, back it with references, give the benefits and advantages of your topic, of why you have this opinion, and what are the benefits the human being, the society can have, the community can have because of this solution, and then you call for action. And this ends your opinion article. So yes, you can have references in that. So how long will that be? 1 page is enough. 1 page, A4 size, 1 page is enough. How many words? I would say 600 to 750 words. Most people will tell you 750 words. So if you want to go with 750 words, that's fine. Minimum you can go with 600 words. So yes, this is how you write the opinion article. So now you have the structure, you have the body, you have the introduction as the problem, you have the body, that's where you put your information, your opinion along with the research evidence, and then you end with the call to action. Just like a sales script, you are just writing benefits and call to action. Now the thing is, if your opinion is wrong, you're human being, so it's okay. Somebody else will write another opinion article rejecting your opinion, so it's okay. So be respectful, be thoughtful, and if you are against the opinion that somebody else has, always be respectful while mentioning that this is the problem, that people have this view, and I disagree with that respectfully, because I feel this is the reality and I have evidence to back up with, and then you end your article. So this is how you write the opinion article. Now once it is written, what do? Now you do the editing. Make sure the spellings and grammatical errors are taken care of, and make sure nothing is plagiarized, because you are taking references from other sources. So make sure you don't plagiarize, don't copy paste, write in your own words. And if you feel that you have lesser grip on the language that you're writing in, then what do? You send it to a professional editor to re-edit and improve it. They will do it with minimal amount. They will do it for you. You get the final paper done. Once that is done, your opinion article is all set. Now it's time to decide a title. Yes, you can give a simple title with a question mark, a title with a question mark, or a title with 2 clauses can be very strong. So yes, you can do that. And to learn more about title and the heading, you can look at other people's opinion articles, and you can get ideas how they have chosen their titles. So title is the least something you should be least worried about. You should not be worried about title right now. The first is the material. Title can be anything. Don't worry about it. If your material is strong, people will read it. Now once that is done, you select a journal, or if you have already selected a journal, make sure your article follows the author guidelines of that journal. And now you can contact the journal, can I submit it? Contact the editor and wait for the reply. If they are willing to do that, then submit it. If not, then go to a next journal. And if the paper gets rejected, if your opinion article gets rejected, don't worry about it. Send it to another journal. Rejection is part of life. It's okay. Send it to another journal. If the other journal rejects it, send it to another journal, and keep improving it. Keep improving it. Put more evidence or change the evidence. Put more benefits, change the benefit, and you will see the results that your opinion article will be sooner or later accepted. So thank you for watching this video. Watch this video again, take notes, and keep learning and keep watching. Thank you.